Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go network error. To know how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go network error, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list we search about the application of Monopoly Go. When you'll find this list of app info, you will click on first stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage, then we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You search about Monopoly Go. If you will find here update, you can click to update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.